So this is how we check for mass communication. I'm again with another booting test video. In this video I have two flagship phone, iPhone 12 version and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I have already a video of iPhone 13 comparison booting test with Ultra. So if you want, check the video description for that video. So here iPhone 12 versus Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Booting comparison. Hold the power button here the power button. And I hit the same time 1, 2 and 3. Let's see. I leave the button here. Let's see who is the winner in this case. iPhone 12 surprisingly is the winner. It boots faster than Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the last version of the Samsung phone. Now I'm gonna open both of the phone and I will see any application is open or not. Here we go. Close all here. So nothing is here. I will do the same with Ultra. Nothing is open. So I'm gonna shut it down the same way. There we go. Power off, power off. I change my hands. This time I put iPhone on my right hand and left Ultra. Both the phone are shut down. So we'll do the test again to confirm the clear winner. Let's see. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3. Here we see Apple logo and Samsung Galaxy at the same time. iPhone 12 is the clear winner in this case. Millisecond different, but winner is the winner. I have many other videos similar comparison. If you want, check that iPhone 13 with Samsung Galaxy 20, 21 Ultra. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.